Mike Vigliarolo Jr. and this is Coram Materials. We're located in Miller Place, New York on Long Island, about 45-50 miles east of New York City. My grandfather started Coram in 1991, I believe, and then 97 we took it over fully. We have 2 dredges now. On that clamshell dredge, that helps us a lot. It's a lot more upfront cost, but you get a lot more stone and it makes a better quality stone than other companies that use suction dredges. And they both run on about 2 miles of belt. One of them goes half of their material here for bank run that we let sit and dry, and then goes to the dry plant, which is above ground screening with all dry material. And the other half of that goes with the other dredge that is processed to a wet plant that uses water and sand to move the material around to end up making concrete sand. So before we had these radial telestackers, we would have one stacker, and once it got too full, we would have to use payloaders and trucks to move it, and that was really a pain. So now that we have the telestackers, we don't have to use any trucks. We go 180, fill the whole side up, and we don't have to stockpile anything. It's all already stockpiled. And once you can get rid of trucks, everything runs itself. It's really a lot more cost efficient. Yeah, they really are great, especially because the way they move radially, we can mix the material the way we want. We can move it up and down when it's windy, so that's really a huge plus for us. You can really tell the difference between equipment that's made here and equipment that's made overseas. Rarely ever downtime with these stackers. They're really well built, and we have faith that they're going to run every day.